Your brain is being hijacked right now. Every notification, every email, every endless scroll is training your mind to be distracted. But what if I told you that in just 3 minutes a day, you could start a process to literally take back control, build a more focused brain, and physically change its structure for the better? Let's be real, you've heard about meditation. Maybe you even tried it once, sat down and immediately thought, this is impossible, my brain will not shut up. You're not alone. That's the #1 myth we need to bust right now. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. It's not about emptying your mind, it's about understanding it. For our audience, the high achievers, the builders, the people who want to optimize every aspect of their life, meditation isn't some passive spiritual retreat. It's an active training protocol for your brain. It is one of the most powerful biohacks available to us, and the barrier to entry is zero. You go to the gym to train your body for strength and endurance. Think of meditation as taking your brain to the gym to train it for focus, resilience, and clarity.
And I'm not just saying that. The science is overwhelming. Neuroscientists have used fMRI scans to look inside the brains of long-term meditators, and what they found is incredible. First, they see increased gray matter density in the prefrontal cortex. This is your brain's CEO. It's responsible for executive functions like decision-making, emotional regulation, and concentration. More gray matter here means you're literally building a stronger command center for your mind. At the same time, they see a reduction in the gray matter of the amygdala. This is your brain's fight or flight alarm system. When it's overactive, you feel anxious, stressed, and reactive. Meditation helps to calm this alarm system down, making you less emotionally hijacked by day-to-day stress. On a chemical level, a consistent practice has been shown to lower cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High cortisol wreaks havoc on your body and brain, taking your sleep, your immune system, and your ability to focus. By managing cortisol, you're paving the way for peak performance and long-term health. So, the science is clear. This works. The question is, how do you start? Forget sitting in a lotus position for an hour. We're starting with what I call the minimum effective dose, just 3 to 5 minutes. Here are 3 incredibly simple techniques. This is your foundation, your bread and butter. It's simple. You're just going to use the physical sensation of your breath as an anchor for your attention. Find a comfortable position. Sitting in your office chair is perfect. You can close your eyes or just lower your gaze. Now just bring your awareness to the sensation of your breath. Maybe you feel the cool air at your nostrils as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Or maybe you feel the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Pick one spot and rest your attention there. Now, here's the most important part. Inevitably, your mind will wander. You'll start thinking about your to-do list, that email you need to send, what's for lunch. When you notice your mind has wandered, and you will notice, that's the magic moment. That is the rep. That's the bicep curl for your brain. Don't get frustrated. Just gently, without judgment, guide your attention back to your anchor, the breath. Every single time you do that, you are strengthening your focus muscle. That's it. That's the entire practice. If you feel particularly stressed or stuck in your head, the body scan is fantastic for grounding you in the present moment. Again, get comfortable. Starting with your toes, just bring your awareness to them. You don't need to change anything. Just notice what's there. Can you feel the sensation of your socks? The pressure on the floor? Are they warm or cold? Just notice. Then, slowly, move your attention up to your feet, your ankles, your calves, and so on, all the way up to the top of your head. This isn't about searching for some profound feeling. It's just a simple inventory. This practice disconnects you from the frantic storyline in your head and reconnects you with the physical reality of your body.
it's incredibly effective for reducing anxiety. This is the one you can do anywhere, anytime, to bring meditation into your real life. The goal is to turn a routine activity into a practice of focus. Let's use your morning coffee as an example. Instead of scrolling on your phone while you drink it, take 60 seconds to just experience the coffee. Notice the warmth of the mug in your hands. Smell the aroma. When you take a sip, notice the taste, the temperature. That's it. You're anchoring your attention on a sensory experience. You can do this while brushing your teeth, washing dishes, or even on a walk by focusing on the sounds around you. It's a microdose of mindfulness that trains your brain to be present in your actual life.